Nice. Shout out to Alexis. Okay, let's see here. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so what was another one you guys got stuck on? We did 16, 17, and 18, all the way to 21. To make probability easier, we multiply. Good, Sydney. Number 25. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to jump to number 25. I can't remember. I feel like, didn't we do, no, I don't think we finished it though. Did we do some spheres with you last time? Yeah, and we had you choose colored spheres for the lesson. Cool, so let's actually look at it now. So this same thing is going to be used here and here and here and here. So you got to use that same phrase of how many spheres there are in your bag for all 4 problems. So on Canvas, I was able just to repeat it so you knew. Okay, we have a bag containing 8 blue spheres, 3 yellow spheres, 9 orange spheres, and 5 red spheres. So good question, Sydney. So Sydney, did you already get 24, the probability of drawing a blue sphere? And there was 8 of them, right? Out of how many total spheres? 25? Because 8 and 3 is 11, plus 9 is 20, plus 5, 25. Good. So what's the probability of drawing a yellow sphere then? We're putting everything back in for this one. Sorry, that's confusing. So we still have that at 25. So how many yellow spheres are there? There's 3. You're fine, because it gets confusing with the replacement without replacement, which I didn't really specify on number 24 and 25. Sorry about that. There you go. But 26 does say, what's the probability of drawing a blue sphere, then a yellow sphere without replacement? Who wants to try this one for extra credit? Well, take one at a time. What's the probability of drawing a blue sphere? Good, good. And means what in probability? And means what? Multiply. Good job, Zegan. So, and then, what's the probability of getting a yellow sphere, knowing that first blue sphere is gone? Good. Everybody's awake now. Woo! 3 out of 24. That'll just be the answer. You don't have to multiply that through. That'll just be a multiple choice answer on the test. Or fill in the blank. You can just put the 2 parentheses together. I feel like that's multiple choice on the practice test, I believe, as well. I believe I can fly. I can fly. Okay, what about with replacement? How would this answer change if we said with replacement? Ooh, this 24 would go back up to 25, right? Because then the blue sphere gets thrown back in. So we have 8 out of 25. And then we're going to keep it at 3 yellow and then still out of 25 again. Good job. Extra credit, Cam. Okay, given that you already drew a red sphere, what's probably drawing a blue sphere? Which I feel like is kind of the same thing-ish. So red spheres, there's 5 red spheres. And so 5 red spheres, knowing that a blue one is gone. So 25 goes down to 24. Is that what you guys got? Maybe? No. Oh, what'd you get? 3 out of 24? Oh, I'm sorry. This is for number 28. How many red spheres are there? Or is this different than your practice test? Maybe I changed it up. I can't remember. Is there 5 red spheres on your practice test? 5 red. And then is the question on number 28, given that you already drew a red sphere? Oh, what's probably drawing a blue sphere? Newbold. Newbold. Oh, I meant to put one more little line on my 5. That's all. There we go. So it's going to be 8 blue spheres divided by, and then a red sphere is gone, so now it's the right answer. What would that reduce to for extra credit? Yeah, Cam, extra credit! 1/3, good job. So I'll uncircle that just because I'm pretty sure the answer will be 8 out of 24 on the test and practice test. I didn't reduce that one. But it's good to remember reducing. Good to remember reducing. Nice. So maybe another question. Should we jump to the difficult one that we gave Harrison? Yeah. So the difficult one that we gave Harrison, and we can come back to the cards in a second, is large straight. So in the game of Yahtzee, you roll 5 dice. You can choose to score 40 points on the large straight if you get a large straight. Describe what getting a large straight looks like in a few words or a few examples. So what do you guys think? So what does a large straight even look like with your 5 dice? Do you remember large straight in order? Do you remember Logan? Do you remember Stevie? Do you remember getting a large straight, Brecklin? What's getting a large straight again? Yeah! And then is there another way you could get a large straight? What's the other way? Nice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So then that's just going to be the answer on the test. You can either write that, or maybe backwards or forwards. I think on the test I specify like, don't mix them up, don't mix them up. Yeah, either, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so then that's going to be on the test. You're going to have to just type in the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're done. On the test. Is that right, Harrison? I believe so. Yeah, fill in the blank. And then your favorite, right? Your favorite. What is the probability of getting a large, and being the first one to take it today? I'll probably give you 2 extra credit points, because I don't want you to miss out on this while you're taking the test. Okay, what is the probability of getting a large straight on the first roll of the game of Yahtzee? So what's the probability of rolling 5 dice and getting a large straight? Well, in previous years, I just said 2. 2 out of 776, and I was like, yeah, that's pretty good. And I'm like, Newbold, you got to stop lying to your students. You got to stop lying to them, because that's not really true. So then I looked it up, and it's actually not too bad, but you got to be able to do factorials. Not something new. So factorials. So have you heard of where you have a number and an exclamation point in front of it? Does anybody remember that at all? Like this. Like 5 factorial. Has anybody heard of that? Just raise your hand. One person maybe. All right, well, let me teach it to you. So basically, this is right, but now for the probability, we got to count all the ways of getting a large straight, right? And then divide it by 7776. So let's count all those ways. Let's list them all. You could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could have 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. You could have 2, 1, 4, 3. No, don't list them all. It takes so long. So there's a faster way to do that. And let me show it to you. Think about it this way. Ready? Ready? Write this down. This is sick. So getting a large straight. How many different possible combinations for just the first die could have been rolled? Now we're just talking about first roll. So first rolled. So we're just talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right now. This number could be a 1 or a 2 or a 3 or a 4 or a 5. So there's 5 ways. Then, and the next roll of the dice, rolled. Well, we know that one number is gone, whether it's a 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Maybe it's the 1, for example. Then how many dice would be left to choose from if it's going to be a large straight? How many different available numbers are left? Yeah, because one of them's gone, right? It doesn't matter which one. We just know one of them's gone for it to be a large straight. You have to have one number of each dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what about the third one? How many dice are left? 3. Then how many are left? Nice. So even though this looks like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm actually talking about 5 different choices of numbers, right? Numbers, choices, 5 different numbers or choices to choose from. So we do 5 times 4 is 20, times 3 is 60, times 2 is, what's 60 times 2? Nice, good job, Kim. So 120 and then times 1 is still 120. Oh my goodness, you just did 5 factorial. What do you mean? So on your calculator, 5 factorial is basically 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Yeah, it's just a thing that we learn in math. I don't even know if I can find it. I think I could under test. Oh no, I just saw it. Did you guys see it? So 5, ready, 5. I thought I saw it. There it is, number 4. Look, 5 factorial. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 120. There it is. Okay, so now we did that with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Same thing. Same exact thing. So the first die roll, you have 5 different choices to choose from. It could be a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. And then 4 choices left, 3 choices left, 2 choices left, 1 choice left. Because this covers everything, right, you guys? Because it could be 3, 4, 5, 2, 6, for example. But once you choose that number, then you have 4 more choices left, then 3 more choices left, then 2 more choices left, then 1 more choice left. So what is 120 plus 120? 240 is the right answer! Woo! There it is, Harrison. Does that kind of make sense? Make more sense? Sorry I didn't get to teach it to you. But I'll give you the point back, don't you worry. Awesome, there we go, beautiful. That was a toughie. That was probably a really tough one that I haven't really shown you yet. So thanks for being here today or watching the video, you behind the screen. Yeah, so good question. So you're saying if we did like 10 like this, and then we did the factorial symbol, like this? Ooh, that's going to be a huge number, right? 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. Woo! That's crazy, right? That is crazy. This video is so long. So far, this video is 22 minutes. We should probably stop and start another one. Oh my goodness. Be right back. Watch you on the next video.